If you don't buy now, you'll never own. You'll be completely bought out of the market for the rest of your life. What happened to those guys? I've been saying real estate is way unaffordable, and creating a playground for the rich could only work so long. Once you create a playground for the rich, who's going to support the infrastructure? Who's going to pay the taxes? Who's going to fix the roads? That's the question. Canadian real estate sees the worst August since 2013 from Better Dwelling. Woo! Canadian real estate sales continue to cool after spending years at record highs. Canadian Real Estate Association, CRE, numbers August sales came in lower and matched the top of last year's declines, making it the slowest August since 2013. Canadian real estate sales, Again, Canadian real estate sales experienced a small decline, but on top of last year's decline, CRE reported 151 adjusted sales in August, down 3.78% compared to the same month last year. This represents the worst August since 2013, when Canada had its oil slump. Yes, we're seeing sales nearly as bad as the oil slump while the economy is booming on paper. Yeah, here it is right here. There's the sales, and there's the years by quarters there. There's the year by quarter there. The fastest growing real estate markets. Only 3 markets with more than 500 monthly sales saw an increase, so they're all winners this month. Montreal reported 3,224 sales in August, up 8.48% from last year. Toronto reported 6,839 sales, 7.58% from last year. Ottawa reported 1,619 sales, up 4% from last year. Those numbers all look huge growth, especially in this environment. So, guys, let's go over this real quick. Montreal, everybody is investing in Montreal right now. It's booming. They have, what do you call it, auctions there. Okay? Then let's go to Toronto. Everyone's jumping on cheaper inventory, condos and townhouses. So sales are artificially manipulated. Detached homes aren't selling as much. And then Ottawa, everyone moved to Ottawa because it's cheaper. So Ottawa's seeing also bidding wars. The reasons these markets are booming is worth noting. Ottawa and Montreal didn't benefit from the great Canadian real estate buying binge. The rise in sales in almost a normal looking catching up on growth. Toronto's huge jump attributed to the fact August 2017 was one of the worst on record, but for the city, easy to beat. So, yeah. There it is right there. And there it is right there. So it was not a hard number to beat, especially in August. The fastest shrinking real estate markets are all in BC. The fastest shrinking sales numbers, all located in British Columbia. Fraser Valley reported 1,102 sales in August, massive 39.52 decline from last year. Vancouver reported 1,961 sales, down 36.7% for last year. Victoria reported 570 sales, down 17.63% for last year. China's capital control prices detached from local homes and anti-speculation measures are taking their toll on sales numbers. So I guess the foreign buyers tax is working, or is it not working? Canadian real estate sales changed by market. Here it is. Toronto, Ottawa. And then there's Vancouver here. Fraser. Wow. So Toronto's still up there, people, but not by much from what it was from... This is 500 plus sales, right? So there's Ottawa, there's Montreal, and then London and all these other places start to decline here big time. The decline in Canadian real estate was expected coming off record years. Despite the expectation, it is still a little strange. That last time, they were this bad. The economy wasn't doing nearly as well. Guys, our economy's booming, kind of booming. We lost, what, 50,000 jobs? And I think 10,000 jobs alone in Alberta. Where are things headed, guys? Where are things headed? Now we got to cross our fingers and hope the price of oil goes up. Oof. Cross your fingers that oil goes up, people. Hopefully the Trump bumps all over the world and sanctions all over the world will help bump the price in oil and start getting countries like Canada and Venezuela and Angola out of the hole right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. And thanks for donating in my tip jar on PayPal. Thanks, everybody. I'm getting tips from people. A little bit of spare change helps go a long way. Thanks, guys.